Hello everyone, here is the tutorial for those that are speaking at our event next week. First off, you want to make sure that you have registered for the event and you will get a link to that event once you register. You also get a link the day of saying your event is starting soon, and that's where you will go to actually enter the event like this. So once we're in the event, you end up in the reception area and you'll notice all these tabs over here on the left. You'll be able to see what's happening as of right now. There's also an event chat, event polls, event people, which is people that are in the event right now, and event Q&A. You will want to go to the sessions pane and your session will show up 10 minutes before the actual session starts. We did update that from our meeting today, so that way you'll be able to get there in there sooner, to test out your video and speakers and all that. So you will be able to see your session here 10 minutes before it starts, and you'll just want to click on it. You will be the moderator of the session, so you'll have to share your audio and video. So this should turn blue for you to be able to do that. And basically you want to make sure that you give it access and click apply. So it wants to be able to have access to your microphone and your video. And then you will share. If you are actually sharing a PowerPoint, you want to click on this to share the PowerPoint or the entire screen or the window or the Chrome tab, whichever you choose, and click share. But I can't do that since I'm in a Zoom meeting already sharing. You can also mute yourself and you can also hide yourself as well. And then you can unclick those and be able to see yourself or unmute yourself as well. You'll also notice there's a session tab here once you're in the session. So you can chat with people in the session. You can add polls to your session. If you've asked me to add a poll, it would show up here. You will see the people in your session. And of course they can you can have people put questions in the Q&A side panel as well. So those are the 4 different tabs that are available to you throughout the session. You are, even though you're a panelist and you're speaking, you're technically still an attendee. So everybody sees the same things that you can see. The only person that would be able to see something different is the moderator, which would be not the moderator, the organizer, which would be me. So that's why I'll be able to see or show more stuff than a normal person in here as a speaker or an attendee would. And then it does start recording once you start sharing your screen, or whoever starts sharing their screen first, it will start recording. And then once the session is done, all you have to do is click leave. And that's it for the session. You'll also notice there's a networking tab. So during breaks, people can go out here, click join and network with others that want to network throughout the event. And then there's the expo section for those that are sponsoring with their expo booths. There's also an event tab where chat, polls, people, and Q&A as well. So the same type of tabs that you have for your session, you also have for the entire event. So everyone can see whatever is put out there. You just want to make sure you're using Chrome. You want to make sure you share access to your video and microphone and be able to talk and speak and be able to hear everything as part of the session panel or session that you have. So it's very self-explanatory. Just make sure you have your hop-in login information, have a link to the event, and join the session 10 minutes early to make sure that everything is working properly. I hope this is helpful. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions. Thanks.